Trying to relate to his illuminators. You can see we have the name illuminators there. It will be a group of more than one people. And there's a big eye with a very big pupil watching, perceiving, and taking in all the things. So we gave a small phrase, one vision, because we have to see to perceive the things. And then I guess you will tell me if I am right. We all were there. And he gave their name illuminators for a group because we are a group of subordinates breaking the ice and supporting the cause of being the light bearers. I would want to say one more thing because we were all seated over there. So one came with the group name Icebreakers, the other said subordinates, the third said supporters, and I said something and I said. So we incorporated all the names and thus that's how we became illuminators. Thank you.
This is a collaborative learning. This is an example of collaborative learning.
Afternoon to everyone.
Creative afternoon.
This is the name that we have given to our table. That is Chamber of Stars. Chamber of Stars. We had actually different ideas. Chamber of Scales, Source of Light, Resourceful, Novel, and then knowledgeable. And then we collaborated all these words together. Because generally we find these kind of characteristics are related to the stars. Star is always a body that gives out heat and light continuously, even in the darkness, and it keeps on forming new gases. It keeps on forming new things. And star knows that they are at the stage of the star. It has to grow, it has to die, then it will be very strange. Still it keeps on giving the shine, gives heat and light in all the directions, irrespective of the barriers. Even though light has this property that it gives back the reflection, but still it keeps on giving heat, it keeps on giving the light. Similarly, we as a teacher are doing exactly the same in the classroom, irrespective of caste, creed, color, tradition. We keep on giving our input to the students so they can give the maximum out of it.
Actually, okay. We our students, we will tell our students you have to read, you have not to read the stars, but about the stars. Similarly, in class 3. And we are also the shooting star and also the comet. And so stars are bright, they are twinkling, they are always working, they are giving light, they are attractive, and they are also creative. Thank you.
I would like to add to this line, ma'am, that they are shooting stars. We all know that shooting stars doesn't have a line. They can for only a certain period of time because that's like the nature. So teachers are like this. We are giving and then we are preparing an indelible impression on the brains of the children.
So, our table's name is High-Tech Educators. We have given this name because we have learned a lot from this workshop. That is how we can use technology in education, in imparting education by the use of technology. I seriously was knowing about 20 meter. We all learned over here. We learned about Padlets, great work, sir. We learned it, and we are going to integrate these technologies in our education, providing education to our students, brainstorming them, making them more confident, high-tech. That is, and we have to be at par with students because we know that this generation is, they are more technologically well-versed than us. So, this is how we are going to teach them, and along with that, we are going to learn many things like ChatGPT. This is what we have learned nowadays, artificial intelligence. Similarly, Mentimeter is now going to promote high technology to our students. And then, this is what we have. Thank you.
As we were talking about technology, so we are using Google Docs to generate ideas. And AI is very helpful in giving us ideas and implementation. We were talking about creativity. So many ideas are available in Google Docs. Like we can generate stories, we can conduct quizzes, we can
Future Fund. We are Future Fund. Which means Future for Future and Free for Creator. And we are the 5 members of this group, so that it is Future Fund. Now you will see there are 5 branches, and these branches our own name, our own features. For example, easy for treasure. Then
See, we are 5 in number. So my first teacher is Nidhi. Nidhi means treasure. So when we are having good teachers with us, that is a treasure for the students as well as for the institution. Second is my name, that is Rajna. It means this entertainer, and I feel I am a resourceful entertainer because whenever I teach my kids, I always want to make my learning very entertaining. The third name is Mr. Vikas, that means Unnati, progressive. So whenever we teachers are teaching, we always have this way in us that my teachers and my students whom I am teaching, they are going to progress in their life. The next name is Tamanna, that is wishes, and we all wish for the prosperous future of our institution and our kids. Lastly, Nitika. Nitika means planning. Niti banana. So Niti. So whatever we are doing in the institution, we do with proper planning. So this is, and these little hearts which you can see, these are basically the little hearts which we have our kids. So whatever we all are doing, we are doing for these little hearts to do. Thank you very much.
With the help of lipstick, I can use these hearts and it represents our love towards our little heart, and this tree represents our teaching pattern. We are the base and these branches. Tree never eats its fruit. Tree always tries. We can, it symbolized in the form of delivering the things to others. So we represent as a teacher which delivers our knowledge towards the future generation for the benefit of the society, for the betterment of the institution, of the student. So that's what we are representing in our tree. In every part,
and all these things are present under the shade of a tree. And it is a solidarity learning and solidarity teaching.
and we are going to be the ones who are not just going to be it, but we are going to touch the hearts of the kids. And I want to add something because we are teachers, we don't have the, we need tools to represent our education, but sometimes we don't get the tools. Whatever we have, we use those resources to deliver the knowledge. So for that, we use our lipsticks for that.
Yes. This is a gem in the form of ice cream. Ice cream is the best possible thing we can serve to our students. They like it and we want to serve the knowledge in the way they would like to acquire it. Now, in this gem we have J. J for Jarna. Jarna, the waterfall of knowledge, is coming down, and then we have M, me too, a friend, me, and then we have S, to me, a true friend with us to deliver the water of the waterfall in a best possible way. Then we have S for Sanakshi. We want to deliver the knowledge in the most truthful way. Satakshi, most truthful way. सबके लिए समान नजर, truthful नजर. And then we have Sagarika. Finally, we are changing this waterfall into the ocean of knowledge. And at the end, we have our ripple. We want to flow this ocean of knowledge in the best possible rhythmic way, so that all our students will flourish. And then we have one सुकेशी सुकेशी जब हमारे बच्चे जवान हो जाते थे गुड क्वालिटी नॉलेज एंड दे बिकम रियली सुकेशी बेस्ट पॉसिबल हीरोज सो वी वांट टू मेक देम लाइक दैट थैंक यू
A very happy afternoon to all and all. The name of our group is House of Visionaries. A vision without an action is merely a dream. But a vision with an action can change the world. So here we are, the House of Visionaries, to change the world for a better tomorrow.
So, to change the world for the better tomorrow, we all have to be powerful, right? So here we are to dream ordinary and to create extraordinary. Thank you.
Moreover, I feel like vision is the mother of creativity. Vision gives wings to creativity. So we all are powerful visionaries who can see all what is invisible to others. Thank you everyone and have a great day.
Creative point, creative afternoon to everyone. So we are number 5. We are to number 5. That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So what we have created here, what is the logo is we have Gen Z these days. But हम लोग के टीचर्स हैं, हमें उनसे एक लेवल अप होना पड़ेगा. So our logo is Gen E. That is EI. EI stands for educators and innovators. We are no more teachers, we are educators as well as innovators. So मेरे पास एक I am not good at drawing, but I try to जो भी रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल थे. सर थैंक यू सो मच, आपने मेरा काम थोड़ा सा आसान कर दिया. कल आपने भीली को भेज दिया घूमने के लिए. आज हम भीली के बता रहे हैं, हम लोग केक लेकर आए हैं, कंप्यूटर लेकर आए हैं, कैमरा जो आजकल के बच्चों का फेवरेट है. इतना टाइम वो पेरेंट्स के साथ में फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड नहीं करते जितना वो कैमरा, कीबोर्ड कैमरा एंड कैंडी जो हमारे टेबल पर थी. ओके, सो दिस डेज वी हैव नो मोर कॉपीज. पहले तो हम लोगों ने पढ़ाई की है, इट वाज लाइक दिस, C for cat. So now we have C for computer, copy also, then C for camera and camera. So this is our logo, Gen E, and ये हमारा miniature है सर. This is our miniature, Gen E. And अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, when we write EI, okay, इस पे भी write और ये दोनों तरफ से एक जैसा I फोल्डर पकड़ेंगे तो हमें ऐसा ही दिखेगा. E ऐसा ही दिखेगा, I ऐसा ही दिखेगा. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, एक साइड से 6, दूसरी साइड से 9. No, when we are educators, when we are innovators, हमें उनके लेवल को पकड़ना पड़ेगा. And this is what we have done, this is what we have created. Thank you sir, thank you so much. जैसे हम लोगों को स्कूल में सिखाया जाता था कि you have to boost up your confidence, जैसे debate है, कुछ भी है. What is the best practices? Go in front of the mirror and practice. ठीक है, वो थोड़े ही टाइम के लिए होता था. उसके बाद हम अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते थे. आजकल के टाइम पे I told you already, C for computer, C for camera, C for cake. So camera, the best friend. हम लोगों का सबका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. अभी भी हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे थे. Almost every 5 minutes, the ladies will agree with me. हम लोग अपने बाल देखते हैं, we look into ourselves, right? तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को हम कैसे मना कर सकते हैं? तो इसी कैमरा से रिलेट कर अगर उनको टास्क दिया जाए, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट जो है उनको बोला जाए कि क्रिएट अ शॉर्ट वीडियो. आप अपनी वीडियो देखिए, 5 मिनट पहले क्रिएट करिए प्रिपरेशन के साथ. उसमें क्या क्या फ्लॉज हैं वो देखें, देन अगेन वर्क ऑन दैट फ्लॉज और उसके बाद में दोबारा एक वीडियो क्रिएट करके आप देखिए. तो आपको खुद ही उसमें बेटरमेंट दिखेगा, आपको भी उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू दिस डेज. थैंक यू सो मच.
अभी बंद करूं.